Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you screen record on iPhone. So for that, at first just go to your settings app. Now into the settings, scroll down and here you can see control center. Just click on control center. Now into the included controls, here you can see I have added screen recording, but if you don't have that, you need to choose it from the more controls option. So you can see there is a plus icon each of these. Just click on that plus icon beside screen recording and you can just choose it. And after that just go back and just swipe down in the top like this, and here you can see this icon, the red icon in the bottom left. This is the screen recording icon. You can just click it and you can just screen record. So guys, that's how you can screen record on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.